Hello, hi, good morning, very good morning to all of you guys. Welcome to Guidely. This is Aditya. I hope I'm audible and visible to all of you guys clearly. एक बार चेक करिए ऑडियो वीडियो क्लियर ऑल वेल. चलिए स्टार्ट करेंगे डिस्कशन को. Good morning to all of you. 19th of December 2025 current affairs we are going to cover into the session. और न्यूज हाइलाइट्स में स्टार्ट करूंगा बट आई एम थिंकिंग टू कंटिन्यू द सेशन टिल एंड ऑफ द दिसंबर लाइक दिस एंड आफ्टर दैट विल move into the previous format of news highlights, homework of the day, homework for tomorrow, and if required, if possible, MCQs as well. वैसे MCQs possible नहीं हो पाते just because of so many news on a regular basis कि MCQs discuss कर पाए. So Hustle 3.2 is getting started from 20th of January. आपको डेट बता देता हूँ कि Hustle 3.2 कब से स्टार्ट हो रहा है. It is getting started from 20th of Jan 2026. Will have the validity of again 1 year. Will cover all the examinations of 2026-27, right? So those who are waiting for the new batch, for them the new batch is announced soon. I'll give the complete other information as well. ठीक है, क्या कुछ नया कर सकते हैं, anything new we are going to do, everything will highlight soon. Bundle PDF course 2026 17 segment included. Everything is now live. 3-month validity 359, 6-month validity 539. So you can check the details and join it immediately. My BOBLB interview batch is also live. If you find someone struggling into the preparation of BOBLBO, you can inform them. Welcome to Guidely guys. PDF will be available in this Telegram group. Yes, I wanted to change it to 8:15 only regularly. मैं सोच रहा हूँ कि 8:15 कर देता हूँ timing. That's better. What do you guys think around it? If you feel that 8:15 is better, let me know. Otherwise, 8 o'clock will continue. Reserve Bank of India releases 10th edition of handbook for the statistics on the Indian state and union territories. So recently, RBI, Reserve Bank of India, came with the 10th edition of compiled data of different states in India based on the different statistics. Repeat कर देता हूँ. आरबीआई ने एक हैंडबुक रिलीज किया है. काफी डिटेल्ड हैंडबुक है, बहुत डिटेल्ड है. इट विल टेक लॉट्स ऑफ टाइम टू स्टडी इट. सो दैट हैंडबुक हैव प्रेजेंटेड द डेटा ऑफ इंडियन स्टेट्स एंड यूनियन टेरिटरीज based on the socio-economic background, based on their growth, based on the different type of enrollment from the state. These type of data presented by the Reserve Bank of India. Point number 1, it is the 10th edition of handbook that is released by the Reserve Bank of India. First edition was released in 2016. पहला edition release हुआ था 2016 में, which give a long-term socio-economic series from 1951 onwards. ये बताता है कि 1951 से अभी तक what is the changes in the Indian state, what is the growth of Indian state, that type of data it is presented. Now, this report was prepared by which organization? So, it was prepared by Regional Economy Monitoring Division of the Department of Economic Policy Research within RBI. So, regional offices of RBI have given the data. Based on that data, this table or this particular report has been created. Important है. Based on that data, this report will be created. ठीक है? No. It will continue till February. Hustle 2.0 classes will continue till February. Don't worry. Whatever I have committed till then, it will be there. Everything will be there. ठीक है? February तक के classes आपके रहेंगे बैच में. चलिए यहाँ तक पॉइंट क्लियर है. So this report is giving the data based on state-wise domestic tourist visit, then net state value added, means what is the economy of the state, which state is better in term of GDP. You can say that in a simple term, GDP के मामले में कौन सा state better कर रहा है. Then adjusted to inflation, which state is doing well. Then state-wise groundwater extraction in India. The state which are on top are not on good situation. Such state where the groundwater has been already overused, उनका report है this one, 4th one. Then after that 5th one is state-wise revenue expenditure, state-wise capital receipt, borrowing of the state government, state-wise gender NPS subscription, and state-wise enrollment of Atal Pension Yojana, state-wise export, foreign tourist visit. ऐसे आपके पास total 11 reports हैं, ठीक है. I am giving you the important one. One, that is state-wise domestic tourist visit. कौन सा state है जिसमें domestic tourist within means Indians are visiting more? Which state where Indian tourists are visiting more? So Tamil Nadu is on the top continuously, followed by Uttar Pradesh, and Andhra Pradesh is on third position. Now foreign tourist visit, again Tamil Nadu is on the top, followed by Maharashtra, and third place is Uttar Pradesh. So Tamil Nadu is leading in both the categories, either in domestic tourist or in the foreign tourist. I may answer, if I'll be going to exam and if I get the question that which state is on top in term of tourism in India, I may answer Kerala. Practically, if I'm not aware about this particular report, मेरा answer Kerala हो सकता था. What I feel that personally that maybe more people are visiting Kerala, what I was feeling, but data is saying something else and we should always follow the data. So according to data, it is Tamil Nadu. Although my visit to Tamil Nadu is very regular, right? So net state value added. So it is showing the indication of the economy. So in terms of this, these states are common. Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu and Karnataka, these are the top 3 states in terms of economy. In terms of GDP, you can say that. Top 3 states hai aapke paas Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu and Karnataka. Then state-wise status of the groundwater extraction. मतलब ऐसे states जिन्होंने groundwater overuse कर रखा है. Where the groundwater situation is not good. जहां पर groundwater का situation ठीक नहीं है. So Punjab, Haryana and Rajasthan. These are the 3 states which are in the category of critical issues for agriculture and sustainability. तो ये वो states हैं जिनकी स्थिति ठीक नहीं है agriculture के लिए because of the groundwater has been overused. Point समझ में आ रहा है? Clear है? जाग रहे हैं सारे लोग? हाँ. Important है भाई data. बहुत बड़ी report से ढूंढ कर लाए हैं. So state-wise revenue expenditure. Revenue expenditure means the states are doing more expenditure in the pensions, subsidies, interest, etc. Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra and Tamil Nadu, these are the 3 states. Top 3 states in term of export. Export के मामले में top 3 states हैं आपके महाराष्ट्र, गुजरात and Tamil Nadu. And gender-wise NPS means NPS subscription which 3 states are on top. So NPS subscription Maharashtra, Uttar Pradesh and Karnataka. These are on top. And one place we have Bihar as well. That is APY, Atal Pension Yojana. In this case Uttar Pradesh, followed by Bihar, followed by West Bengal. These are the top 3 states in APY, Atal Pension Yojana. तो ये तो important data हो गया आपके examinations के लिए, right? So ये important data हो गया. एक चीज मैंने मिस की है. Just give me 1 second. If I am able to check that data immediately, I'll give you the immediate idea. हाँ, state with the market borrowing state. Borrowing के form में. Borrowing. The state with high borrowing. तो state जो है high borrowing के साथ they are Maharashtra, उत्तर प्रदेश एंड तमिलनाडु. दीज आर द स्टेट विद द बोरोइंग. ये वाला मिस कर दिया था मैंने, ये जरूर, ये थोड़ा इंपॉर्टेंट था, सो वी कैन कवर इट. क्लियर है? ये पूरा डेटा इंपॉर्टेंट है. आगे मूव करते हैं. नेक्स्ट न्यूज इज रिलेटेड टू सेबी सिक्योरिटीज एंड एक्सचेंज बोर्ड ऑफ इंडिया क्लियर द IPO अप्रूवल फॉर द 7 डिफरेंट फॉर्म मोबिलाइजिंग अराउंड 6,000 crore रुपी. 6,000 crore rupee company wanted to raise from the market with the support of IPO. What is the meaning of IPO? IPO means, full form is initial public offering. Any company want to move into the stock market for the first time to raise the money from the general public. आम आदमी को अपना पार्टनर बनाकर उनसे फंड लेना for the further investment into the company. This is called IPO. That if you have confidence in a particular company, then only invest. If you feel that the product of this company is good. Very simple concept. If you feel that, if you believe that the product of this company is good and this company is coming to IPO, this company will definitely grow in future, then only invest into that company. तो आप उस केस में उस कंपनी में क्या करो? इन्वेस्ट करो, otherwise avoid it. Clear हो रहा है मेरा point? So that is what the meaning of IPO, initial public offering. 7 companies got approved by the SEBI in the recent time. We have seen that the month of October and November was Already the month of IPOs. Now 7 more companies are going to come. Yashoda Healthcare, Fusion CX, Orient Cable, then Turtle Mind Fintech Solution, RSB Retail India, then SFC Environmental Technology and Lohia Corporation. These are the 7 companies which are going to come, and SEBI have given them approval for the IPO purpose. Banking news पर आते हैं. Very important news, exam level, interview purpose, exceptionally important news. Government of India unveiled the new logo of Regional Rural Bank. So this is the new logo, which is designed in 2 colors, blue and blue and green. 2 colors में design हुआ है, blue color and green color. It is designed for every RRB in India now. At present, we have 28 RRBs in India, which are operating in 22,700 districts in India. So 28 RRBs हैं हमारे पास अभी current में India में. We know that one state, one RRB concept implemented from 1st of May 2025. 26 RRBs across the Indian 11 states were consolidated. 26 RRBs को merge किया गया. Now finally we have only 28 RRBs in India after the consolidation. So each and every RRB will going to use the same logo. Blue color will be the indication of financial stability, trust, reliability. This is what showing the strength of banking system. This is what the indication of blue color. While green color is the indication of life and growth, agriculture, rural livelihood, growth and prosperity, that is shows by the green color. ठीक है. Now we have upward arrow. अगर आप देखोगे, so this is what upward arrow which is created. So upward arrow which is going in the above direction is the symbol of progress, representing growth, development and advancement in the rural economy. Now these two, if you will observe these two, this one, yeah, this one and this one, it is an indication like hands. ये हाथ की तरह बना हुआ है, which is a symbol of which is a symbol of support, helping hand to the rural communities. And flame, this one, it is a symbol of significance of enlightenment, that is knowledge, empowering the rural population, creating the awareness among the rural population. So currently 28 RRBs are there in India. We know the shareholding, 50% by state government, 15% state central government, 50 state 15 and sponsor bank 35%. ठीक है. RRBs were formed on 2nd of October to 1975 according to the Act of 1976. तो RRB जो फॉर्म हुए थे आपके 1975 में फॉर्म हुए थे according to the Act of 1976. By the ordinance they were issued. So this order issued by the Ministry of Finance. At present, Minister of State is Mr. Pankaj Chaudhary and Bhagwat Kishan Rao Kadar. These are the Ministers of State in the Finance Ministry. Nirmala Sitharaman is the Union Finance Minister. Clear है news? ठीक है, important था. आगे चलते हैं. State Bank of India have done a deal of 150 million euro with KfW Bank. What is this KfW Bank? It's a Germany-based bank, German bank, KfW Development Bank, a very big bank based in Germany, to finance climate-friendly energy generation project in India, like renewable energy project, wind energy project, including the nuclear energy project. For supporting and funding these type of project in India, 150 million euro line of credit, it will be provided to SBI, and SBI will utilize to provide that money further into the market. So 1,360 crore rupee will be the amount which will be taken by SBI, and SBI will further provide this amount for the purpose of providing loan into the market, basically in the field of renewable technologies. Mein, so India can achieve their target of low carbon emission and the carbon emission that is zero by the year 2070. We have the target of achieving the net zero carbon emission by 2070. KWF Bank, it is a Germany based bank. Frankfurt, Germany is the headquarter of the bank. Remaining about SBI, you already know. IDFC First Bank introduced USD, that is US dollar and euro global saving account for the non-resident Indians. For the NRIs, for the NRI, IDFC First Bank came with a solution that if they want to deposit money in India, but in the form of dollar or euro, but they want to deposit in the form of dollar or euro, they can deposit the money. Account will be opened in the IFSC, International Market of India, IFSC, International Financial Service Center Authority, GIFT City, Gujarat. So it became the first bank to start offering this type of facility in IFSC. IFSC में ऐसी facility offer करने वाला पहला बैंक बना है, IDFC First Bank. The advantage for the NRI will be they will be able to maintain their deposits in India without keeping any type of maturity restriction. Otherwise, we have FCNR account also. हमारे पास FCNR account है, already है. Every bank is offering FCNR, foreign currency non-resident account, where the money can be deposited in India in the form of foreign currency. But the challenge is there is a maturity period, minimum 1 year to maximum 5 year. 1 year से 5 year का maturity period है. Now, here in this account, NRI can maintain deposit in US dollar or in euro without mandatory conversion into Indian currency rupee. Total money is 100% repatriation for both the principal and interest. Means anytime they can take their money back to the foreign nation whenever they want. They will be able to get the rate of interest also 4.75% per annum on the deposits, and TDS exemption is also available on this deposit. So TDS exemption भी इसके ऊपर applicable है. So these are the advantages which are launched by IDFC First Bank recently. 2015 bank was formed. Mumbai, Maharashtra is the headquarter. V. Vidyanathan sir is the CEO. Always you first is the tagline. In 2018, IDFC Bank got merged with the Capital First, and then it became IDFC First Bank. Next one. Government of India planning to make the disinvestment of 3% in Indian Overseas Bank via offer of sale. Means in the stock market itself, they will be issuing the new stocks for the purpose of sale. तो स्टॉक मार्केट में ही डिसइन्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं. 3% का स्टैक है एट द कॉस्ट ऑफ 34 रुपी पर शेयर, विच इज अप्रोक्सीमेटली 7.6% लोअर देन द प्रीवियस क्लोजिंग प्राइस. मतलब पहले के जो प्राइस, जो मार्केट का प्राइस चल रहा है, उससे कम प्राइस पर ऑफर कर रहे हैं, 36.57 रुपीज पर. गवर्नमेंट इज होल्डिंग in IBO currently 94%. Is it privatization? Can we call it privatization of bank? Answer is no. It is a rule of SEBI. Every company which is listed in the stock market, public shareholding should be minimum 25%. तो सरकार का शेयर होल्डिंग हो सकता है मैक्सिमम 75. Why? Public shareholding should be minimum 25%. But at present, in the Indian Overseas Bank, government shareholding is 94.16%, which need to be come down to 75. इसको कम करके 75 करना है. So it is not privatization, it is a disinvestment and aligning to the rules of SEBI. SEBI के रूल से अलाइन करने के लिए इसको किया जा रहा है. क्लियर हो रहा है मेरा पॉइंट? So government is coming up with the 3% disinvestment of the shares of Indian Overseas Bank, and SEBI have given the clearance until August 2026 for doing it. Other PSBs significantly above 75% shares. Punjab Sindh Bank had 93%, UCO Bank 91%, Central Bank of India 89.3%. So all these are the PSB where the shareholding of Government of India is very high. ये न्यूज बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है उन लोगों के लिए जो जा रहे हैं इंटरव्यू में, एंड देयर फर्स्ट प्रेफरेंस इज IOB. अगर प्रेफरेंस IOB है and you are going for the interview, especially in Chennai, it is important to remember this news. ठीक है, याद रखना है न्यूज. What is the recent disinvestment news by the government? Is it privatization or not? क्या ये privatization है? तो important news रहेगा उन बच्चों के लिए. ठीक है, हेडक्वार्टर है चेन्नई, तमिलनाडु. Ajay Kumar Srivastava sir is the managing director and CEO. Next news. Government of India conducted a road show, a type of marketing advertisement show, where in London in December 2025. मैं repeat करता हूं. Government of India have conducted a advertisement road show, marketing show in London in December 2025 because government is looking for buyers for the stocks of GIC, General Insurance Company. GIC, which is a government company, reinsurance company of Government of India. In this company, government want to do the disinvestment 10%. Why? Same, to comply with the SEBI minimum public shareholding norms of 25% of the listed companies. So government previously sold 3.4% in September 2024, currently hold around 82%. Abhi government ka shareholding hai 82. So after selling it, government will achieve the target. It will be lower than 75%. Means 75% के आसपास हो सकता है, lower than that. So 72% approximately. So government is looking for the buyer who can buy 10% share of General Insurance Company GIC. That is why government is planning this. Government aim to raise around 47,000 crore rupee in the financial year 2026 through the sales and asset monetization by 31st March 2026. So GIC, which is also known as GIC RE, it is a reinsurance company of India. Headquarters is Mumbai, Maharashtra, founded in the year 1972. And Mr. Hitesh Ramesh Chandra Joshi is the current chairperson and managing director of the organization. Appointments पर आते हैं. So Sai Jadhav became the first woman officer to graduate from Indian Military Academy. Indian Military Academy that was established in the year 1932 and has around 67,000 cadets till date. Out of 67,000 cadets, one lady have enrolled, one girl have enrolled and graduated. That one girl name is Sai Jadhav. Till date. आज तक की डेट में. So 93-year-old male only tradition from the IMA was broken now. Out of 67,000 cadets, those who have graduated, one name is Sai Jadhav, one woman among all. She has been commissioned as a lieutenant in the Territorial Army, becoming the first woman passed from IMA to join the Territorial Army. At present, 8 women cadets are undergoing under the training. Abhi current में 8 cadets हैं which are under training. But Sai Jadhav became one who pass out from here successfully. ठीक है, important point है. You only attend and tell me after 1 or 2 days, is the session important for SBI PO means examinations or not? Okay, please attend for 2 more days and let me know after that. So Sai Jadhav joined IMA with a special permission and successfully completed 6-month rigorous training, meeting the same standard of the male cadets and finally cleared it. IMA founded in the year 1932, Dehradun, Uttarakhand is the headquarter, headed by Commandant of the Lieutenant General Nagendra Singh at present. ठीक है, आगे move करें. Reports and ranking. 2 very important reports we have at present with us. One, Hurun Global 1000 report. Hurun Global 1000 report 2025. 1000 most valuable companies in the world. Although we get the question only from the top 10. Question in the examination always come from the top 10, not from first 1000. We should not learn the report of 1000 companies. So top 10 companies, even top 5 they do ask in the examination mostly. So cutoff valuation date was 14th of November 2025 as on that day. As on that day, which companies were on the top? कौन सी companies आपकी top पर है? Which Indian companies there in the top 10? What do you think? Which Indian company will be there in the top 10? कौन सा company हो सकता है top 10 में in the valuation term across the world, not only in India? We are talking about the world level. So $26 trillion is the valuation of the top companies in the world. Listed companies hold it around 90% of ranking. Remaining 10% companies are non-listed. The new companies, startups like OpenAI, ByteDance, SpaceX, etc., which are not listed in the stock market. Now, which company is on the top? So, Nvidia emerged as the most valued company in the world, taking over Apple and Microsoft. So, Apple, Microsoft को पीछे छोड़ते हुए on the top position now it is Nvidia, chip making, chip manufacturing company. Chip बनाती है जो, chip for the mobile phone, laptops, etc. Everywhere nowadays chip is required, right? So Nvidia is on the top, followed by Apple, followed by Microsoft. So these are the top 3 companies in the world. ये आपकी top 3 companies हैं. Nvidia valuation you can remember $4.6 billion. ठीक है, $4.6 billion. It is approximately the valuation of Nvidia. 4th number it is Apple, 5th is Amazon, 6th is Saudi Aramco. If you will observe in the top 10, no Indian company is there. Top 10 में कोई भी Indian company नहीं है. We do not have any Indian company in the top 10. ठीक है? All the companies out of 8 out of 10 companies are US based companies. Today also, out of 10 companies in the world most valued, 8 companies are from US. अभी भी US based companies ही हैं. 8 out of 10. Point clear हो रहा है? India position in the Hurun Global 1000 show no Indian company presented in the top 10. Most valued company ranked 74th global market capitalization. तो 74th नंबर पर पहुंच रही है मोस्ट वैल्यूड कंपनी फ्रॉम इंडिया, दैट इज योर रिलायंस इंडस्ट्रीज. तो रिलायंस इंडस्ट्रीज है मोस्ट वैल्यूड, दैट इज ऑन द 74th पोजीशन. क्लियर? ग्लोबल इन्वेस्टमेंट रिस्क एंड रेजिलिएंट इंडेक्स रिलीज्ड. अब एक और इंडेक्स है, इसके बारे में बात कर लेते हैं. इट इज द इंडेक्स ऑफ ग्लोबल इन्वेस्टमेंट रिस्क एंड रेजिलियंस इंडेक्स. लेट मी एक्सप्लेन इट फर्स्ट. एज अ इन्वेस्टर, there is a person, Mr. X, who is from USA, want to invest money out of USA somewhere, India, China, Nepal, Pakistan, other countries, Switzerland, Norway, Sweden. Now, two aspects. One, in this index, the country which is on the top level means the countries which are on top 10, 1 to 10, there the risk is low and resilience is high. Risk is low, resilience is high means the country have good support by the government of that country. Environment is better, no unnecessary political pressure, unnecessary pressure from underworld or unnecessary pressure from media. No such pressure. You can go, you can start your business, you can do it properly. Safety norms are good. Environmental norms are good. So overall, a best place to work and start your business will be the country which is there in the top 10. The countries which are coming to the bottom, they are not at the good level. Don't go to that nation. So any investor want to check the first thing, that which is the place where I can start my factory, where I can start my business. They can check this particular report. वो इस रिपोर्ट को चेक कर सकते हैं. पॉइंट समझ में आया? So it indicates the total risk. Lower is better, covering the political, economic, legal, regulatory and climate related risk. Everything is covered into this. सारी चीजें इसमें क्या कर रखी हैं? कवर कर रखी हैं. Which country is on the top? Switzerland is on the top. Best place to make investment without risk, very low risk. So Switzerland is on the top, followed by Denmark. Third number Norway. Singapore is on the 4th position. From Asia there is one country which is on the 4th position in top 5. Singapore Asia से है. So Singapore is on the 5th position. ठीक है? Then we have the top 10 countries: Sweden, Luxembourg, Finland, Netherlands, Germany, Iceland. All these countries are there in the top 10. So top 10 countries you got an idea, right? एक बार repeat करवा दूं. On the top Switzerland, Denmark, Norway, Singapore. Top 4 याद कर लेना. After that, bottom 10. Bottom 10 means most fragile. The country where your investment may gone into zero anytime. So most fragile. These countries are Egypt, Mali, Ethiopia, Burundi, Chad, Sierra Leone, Nigeria, Pakistan, Haiti and Lebanon. So these are the countries which are lowest in term of the investment place. कि मत करो यहाँ पर investment. Very weak. Institutional capacity. Government का control बहुत कम है. The common reason behind the lower risk is severe political instability, weak legal and regulatory framework, high exposure to the economic and climate shock, limited recovery capacity. कि आपका investment डूबना तय है if you make investment. ठीक है। After that, position of India. India का position is also not very good. It is on 104th position. 100 के बाद पहुंच रहा है. Overall score is 54.42 and resilience is 49%. So 50-50% वाली situation है. That anyone want to make investment, they need to make their mind. It is 50-50. Situation is not very bad, not very good. बहुत बुरी भी नहीं है, बहुत अच्छी भी नहीं है. This is what the thing is. India faces the challenges such as elevated political and regulatory risk. Politicians get involved and interfere into your business. High exposure to the climate hazard, reduce attractive and low risk investment destination. कम में आपका investment हो जाता है, that is the better place. If talking about the bigger economy, US is on 24th position, China is on 37th position. तो ये आपके जो बड़ी इकोनॉमीज हैं उनमें से यूएस 24th पर है, चाइना है 37 पे, रैंक ऑफ इंडिया इज 104. ये पॉइंट याद रखने का हो गया. क्लियर है? अच्छे से आगे मूव करें. नेशनल न्यूज. प्राइम मिनिस्टर नरेंद्र मोदी हैज बीन ऑनर्ड विथ द ऑर्डर ऑफ ओमान awarded by the Sultan of Oman. So one more award given to PM Modi, one more crown given to PM Modi at the international level, that is order of Oman. So the award was given during the visit of Oman, that India have completed 70 years of diplomatic relation between two nations. PM Modi contributed a lot, increasing the ties, increasing the efforts between both the nations. That is why this was the award that is given. Earlier, India and Oman have signed the milestone, signing the bilateral economic agreement, comprehensive economic partnership agreement, that is called CEPA. CEPA agreement. So comprehensive economic partnership agreement India have signed with Oman. Oman के साथ हमने CEPA sign किया है, which will provide, allow the fair and predictable labor mobility workforce from India to Oman, and trade will be easier. So this is what the agreement which we have signed. Clear है? आगे move करेंगे. President have inaugurated Param Vir Dirgha at Rashtrapati Bhavan on Vijay Diwas. I'll tell you what is the point. So when we enter into the Rashtrapati Bhavan, there is a corridor. In that corridor, from the starting of the freedom of independence of India, Britishers used to keep the portrait of pictures of British higher officials, previous officials, those who passed away mostly. So their pictures were there in the Rashtrapati Bhavan in the corridors. Now government of India have removed the pictures of these British officials. ये British officials के pictures निकाल दिए हैं, and the Indian army officials, those who were honored with the Param Vir Chakra. As of now there are total 21 Param Vir Chakra awardees. इंडिया में आज तक 21 Param Vir Chakra awardees हैं. It is the highest award in the field of defense. In the field of defense, glory, in army you can say that. So 21 awardees हैं इंडिया में. Although the award was started in 1950, but it was given 21 times only. So Britishers के pictures निकाल के वहां पे इंडियन अवॉर्डीज जो हैं 21 परमवीर चक्र अवॉर्डीज, their portrait and pictures have been installed. This area will be called Param Vir Dirgha, and it is inaugurated by the President of India. Where it is located? Is it located in the PM House or Parliament or Supreme Court of India? No. Answer is it is located in Rashtrapati Bhavan. कहां पर located है ये? राष्ट्रपति भवन ऑफ गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया. पॉइंट समझ में आया? क्लियर है अच्छे से? चलो आगे मूव करें. सिंपल न्यूज था. माय भारत इंट्रोड्यूस्ड अ स्पेशल वेब पोर्टल फॉर द रिपब्लिक डे 2026 यूथ कंपटीशन. essay writing, painting, slogan, signature competition, this type of competitions will be there for the Republic Day 2026. Youth can participate. इसमें youth participate कर सकते हैं with the support of My Bharat portal. My Bharat portal के support से. If anyone of you want to participate, you can participate. ठीक है? All the informations are available on the My Bharat portal. यहाँ पर information available है. Participation portal will be mybharat.gov.in. Pages Republic Day #26. प्राइज मनी विल बी प्रोविजन टू द टॉप परफॉर्मिंग पार्टिसिपेंट्स. सरकार ने बहुत डिटेल में बताया नहीं प्राइज मनी वगैरह क्या है. selected youth will receive the opportunity to participate in the Republic Day along with the Prime Minister नरेंद्र मोदी. तो आपको चांस मिलेगा कि along with the President and Prime Minister you will be able to participate in the Republic Day parade, कि आप जो है जाकर Republic Day parade में आप participate कर सकते हो. It is organized by the Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports. Mansukh Mandavia is the minister and Minister of State is Raksha Khatse. ठीक है, ये पॉइंट हो गया. इंटरनेशनल न्यूज है. इंडिया इथोपिया साइंड 3 bilateral cooperation. 3 MOUs signed between India and Ethiopia during the visit of Prime Minister Narendra Modi to Addis Ababa. So, what are the 3 MOUs? MOU number 1, custom administration. Custom administration means whenever anyone is coming from the foreign nation to India, we need to do the custom check. Anything which is imported from foreign nation to India, we need to do the custom check, properly the tax is paid or not. So this type of custom administration. बस एक वर्ड याद रखो. Point number 1 है custom administration. Second है data center at embassy of Ethiopia. Within Ethiopia, data center will be created for the purpose of collecting and keeping the data in a safer form. So data center for improving the data security. Data center in Ethiopia. So this is point 2. पहला क्या है? Custom administration 1, data center in the embassy of Ethiopia 2, and third है supporting Ethiopia in United Nation. Third is that India will support Ethiopia in United Nation. UN में India Ethiopia को support करेगा on their matters, on their demands. So India will support to Ethiopia in United Nation. These are the 3 MOUs which we have signed recently with the Ethiopia. Clear है? State in news. Pondru Khadi of the Andhra Pradesh recently received the GI tag by the Union Minister of Commerce and Industry. The recognition came nearly after 100 years after Mahatma Gandhi praised this Pondru Khadi. So Pondru Khadi of the Andhra Pradesh, not Rajasthan, Andhra Pradesh, known for extremely fine texture, strength and durability, recently got the GI tag. तो इनको अभी recently क्या मिला है? GI tag मिला है. Defense news पर बात करें, Indian Navy Deputy Chief Naval Staff Vice Admiral Tarun Sobti recently visited to the Maldives for attending the exercise Ekta. So Ekta is a defense exercise between India and Maldives. For attending the defense exercise, the Deputy Naval Chief of India, Deputy Chief of Indian Navy, that name is Mr. Tarun Sobti. Tarun Sobti is the name. So Tarun Sobti recently visited to the Maldives for the purpose of attending the defense exercise called Ekta 2025. बस इतना काफी है. स्पोर्ट्स न्यूज ऑबिटरीज हैं, पद्मश्री अवार्डी हैं. लास्ट न्यूज है, पद्मश्री अवार्डी वेटरन जर्नलिस्ट प्रफुल्ल गोविंद Baruah sir passed away recently. Yesterday it was there in the trending news. So I thought we should keep it. Otherwise, you know me, I don't cover obituaries news mostly, usually. But it was there in the news very regularly. We should cover it. So Prafulla Govind Baruah sir, he was a journalist, Padam Shri awardee 2018. Passed away recently in the Guwahati at the age of 93. Was born in 1932. And he was the chairperson of the Assam Tribune newspaper के ये chairperson थे, editor थे, and he passed away recent. Important days आज है नहीं मेरे पास cover करने के लिए, so I have not taken it. PDF will be available in this Telegram group. You will be able to connect with me as well. So I'll be meeting you back now on Monday morning in the TNA, while we have the paid sessions scheduled today and tomorrow as well. So check the classes in your hustle batch. Complete it. ठीक है, तो क्लासेस आपके चलते रहेंगे, वीकेंड पर भी हैं, बिकॉज वी नीड टू वाइंड अप द टॉपिक्स बाय 25 तक मैं चाह रहा हूं सारे टॉपिक्स आपके कंप्लीट हो जाएं. यू विल हैव द टाइम फॉर 3-4 days टू डू द रिवीजन ऑफ द लास्ट सेशन. थैंक यू फॉर ज्वाइनिंग द सेशन. डू लाइक इट, शेयर विथ योर फ्रेंड्स, कमेंट इन द कमेंट बॉक्स. विल बी मीटिंग यू बैक इन द नेक्स्ट सेशन सून. टेक केयर. जय हिंद.